Hello? Guess who?
Oh, hi, Granny Bird.
Oh, what's the matter, Big Bird?
Well, Granny Bird, I was playing jump rope with my friends.
Mm-hmm.
We were all supposed to take turns jumping. And when it was my turn to jump, well, everyone left.
Oh, so you wanted a turn to jump rope, but you didn't get a turn.
No, I didn't.
Oh, that does sound disappointing.
Yeah, it sure was. But then my tummy kind of started to hurt, and my face felt hot.
Oh.
And you know what? I didn't want to play anymore.
Not getting my turn would make me feel disappointed, too. Sometimes when we have big feelings, having a quiet moment can help us feel better. Would you like Granny Bird to stay right here? Or would you like some quiet time to yourself? You know I'll be close by if you need me.
Granny Bird, I'd like you to stay right here.
Well, all right. Oh, hey, I have an idea. Let's take out your comfort container.
Oh, yeah. Here it is.
Well, let's see what you have in there.
Okay, well, I've got a squeeze ball. I like the way it feels when I squish it in my hand. And I have crayons because I like drawing, especially when I'm having big feelings. And here's a feather from Auntie Nani Bird. It helps me remember her hugs.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
So, how are you feeling now?
I feel a little better.
Oh, that's good. What else do you have in the comfort container?
I have my favorite storybook.
The Little Bird That Could. Oh, I love that story. It reminds me of you.
Can you read it to me?
I'd like that. Once upon a time, there was a little bird who was feeling disappointed, but he'd packed some of his favorite